How to use ChatGPT to summarize YouTube videos. So first and foremost, you have to create an account on ChatGPT and then go to the specific video or YouTube that you want to get a transcript. So for example, you go to the site, look for show transcript, and then what you're going to do is you have to select all this transcript right here. Okay, right click and then copy. Go to your ChatGPT and then paste this one. You can erase the timestamps manually, or you can ask ChatGPT to do that for you. So you can ask ChatGPT to remove timestamps, and ChatGPT will give you or will create another one for you without the timestamps. To use ChatGPT to summarize YouTube videos, all you have to do here is to follow the prompt like this. Please summarize the following transcript of a YouTube video in a 3 to 4 concise paragraphs. Press enter, and then you will see the answer right away. You can also refine the summary, like can you make the summary shorter and highlight the main points only? Press enter. ChatGPT will generate an answer again. And if you are not satisfied, optional, ask for bullet points or key takeaways. So you can ask ChatGPT, can you provide the key takeaways or bullet points from this video transcript? And then ChatGPT will generate another one for you. So basically, that's how to use ChatGPT to summarize YouTube videos. All you have to do is to get the transcript, paste the transcript right here, and then use the proper prompts like this. Use a summary for your needs. Now you can use the summary for notes, content ideas, or sharing. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.